Hi guys, and welcome back as the tube turns. I'm Shamika, and today we are having seafood boil, shrimp boil. I have corn, sausage, potatoes, and eggs. There we go. The sauce is never fails me. This came right out the pot. As y'all can, I don't know if y'all can see the steam. This ain't no food. I ain't about to try that. Where's my taters? Child, gotta be stingy with these eggs. You know, eggs is high as hell. Hell no, I ain't about to waste this on no damn boil. Not all my eggs. But I might do an egg boil. Me? I love eggs. I do. Too hot. Listen, you gotta get the juice off the shrimp. Stop playing. You gotta get the juice. What is the purpose of having the flavor on the shell if you're not gonna suck it off? Just if you know about a seafood boil, that's a real seafood. That's how you eat it. So don't be coming over here talking all that yada yada. I told you, do not come for me. Do not. Mm. 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 Let me enjoy my food, please. Now, I'm about to try to eat this corn. I don't know what that noise is outside. I do apologize, but it's out of my control. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Sometimes I be catching myself. Like right now, my toes are rubbing together. Like my feet are rubbing together because it's good. And Ray does that too. Ray does it because he's greedy. We don't want to go nowhere else now, do we? Mm-hmm. I have another corn in here somewhere. Get on with the good food. Mm. Mm. Oh no, you ain't done. Big girl action. Big girl action. Okay? Big girl action. I love it. It's been a while since I had seafood. Oh, excuse me. Dang, that sauce, boy. Sauce fire. Fire. Ooh. Damn, I put my foot in this one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What? Damn, it's still hot. Mm-hmm. Everything is so expensive right now, so it's kind of crazy saying, y'all go get y'all some seafood. Well, it's so expensive everywhere. Food, period. So y'all, I'm doing this one for y'all, for real. If y'all go, I'm quite sure half of y'all know that food ain't even as cheap anymore. So. Ooh. Ray gonna love that sauce. He really is. Oh, well, God. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. For people who don't like smacking or people making noises while they eat, because I remember my grandma used to be, stop chewing that gum like a cow. But for real, y'all should try it. Like, rub your lips together. Like, eat something like this. Rub your lips together. You getting all the flavor, right? You're not trying to lose nothing. Get all the flavor. And it's just, I guess, a habit. When it's really good. Now, if I go to a restaurant, the food don't really taste like the food you cook at home. It doesn't. So, you know, I mean, I ain't gotta really smack. Like, cause you like them. I'm tasting it. Okay, tastes good. But when you get something like this, man, stop playing with yourself. You want to get all the flavor. I do. I do. Especially when it's something that you haven't had in a long time. So delicious. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, no. There you go. Mm-hmm. Y'all, so Shemaya, she just came home from school. And she wants some of this so bad. So I did. I gave her shrimp. And she can't chew it. She can't have the corn. She probably can have some potatoes and the eggs. I'll just make her little own. You did good, girl. You did good, girl. Mm-hmm. You hot. Ooh. Sis. You getting pulled on these people already? I sure enough is. I don't know how much I had, but I don't care. Because when I had enough, I had enough. I'm not going to overstuff myself. So, what you see is what you get. No, I ain't doing that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So. I'm full. Whew. It's been a long time. I'm not about to overstuff myself. Only if it was $1 million involved. I'd probably do the whole bowl. But I doubt that's gonna happen. You know, I'd rather try my luck at playing the lottery, messing with y'all on here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love me like I love you. And until next time, guys, thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Say hi to me. Say something to me. Love me like I love you. And until next time, guys.